Hey, what's up everybody? Back again with video number 2, and this one is just going to be a short video. I was able to grab a couple of these Yu-Gi-Oh! Ghosts from the past from my local Walmart. As most of you are pretty much aware by now, most places, Walmart, Target, they're starting to limit the quantities, or they have limited the quantities. I know there are some stores who still have no limits, which is great if you can hit on a restock. Otherwise, you're just out of luck. But I was able to pick these up. So this is the first edition of this set. I've heard some good and bad things about it. I was a big fan of Yu-Gi-Oh! Growing up. Saturday morning cartoons. I actually was more of a fan of Yu-Gi-Oh! Than I was of Pokemon when Pokemon first came out. So I just loved the cartoon. I loved the show. I loved the graphics and the characters in the game. So I've been really wanting to get kind of into Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Now, admittedly, I don't really know a whole lot about what's to chase, or what the good cards are. I just know, for nostalgic purposes from my childhood, I'm looking for Dark Magician, Blue Eyes White Dragon, things like that. Just things that the characters that I remember from when I watched it on Saturday mornings. So I know in this one, the main chaser is going to be the Ghosts rare cards. So it'll kind of look like what you see here on the cover. This is the Blue Eyes White Dragon, I believe. And so the card is holographic, kind of in this fashion here. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So there's 3 5-card packs per box. And then you can read that. Pause that and read that if you want. And so let's just go ahead and get into it. Got 2 boxes. It's going to be 30 cards total. And yeah, I used to love watching Yu-Gi-Oh! Growing up. So I have opened some of this. The cards are really cool. All of the cards are going to be holographic, which is nice. I've watched a couple of videos on these. So here's the package. Really well packaged. I love the presentation. There's my Dark Magician there. And so that's honestly who I'm really looking for. Dark Magician. And then there are the packs. Very, very nice presentation. I'll just go ahead and get into these. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and open both boxes. And we'll just open up all of the packs together. Again, same presentation. Love those boxes. We'll definitely be collecting those. Okay, so we'll start off here. And let's see what we can get. See if we can get one of those ghost rares. I believe they're going on eBay for about $300 to $400, depending on which one. And of course, condition always matters. But let's hope we can get lucky. And so this is the Time Thief Flyback. So kind of nice. Trap card. Hyozen Ryu. It's pretty nice. And like I said, I don't really know a whole lot about just your cards as far as who is what. I know there's a lot of reprints in this set. And so I've heard some good, some bad, but I don't really know. So I'll just kind of go through these kind of fast. So Sunseed, Genius, Loki. This is kind of a cool card. Galaxy Eyes, Cypher X Dragon. If you can see that. It's kind of a cool card. Speed this up a little bit. So we got Galaxy Eyes Cypher Blade Dragon. So Galaxy Eyes Cypher Blade Dragon and Cypher X Dragon. The camera will focus on those. Okay. And we got Metalfoes Mythrillium. Okay. And then Artifact Durindal. Mist Valley Baby Rock. Vampire Voivode. See if I can get the lighting better. Okay, so all right, let's go with this next pack. All right, so let's see. We got a Heretic Seal of Creation, Galaxy Eyes Cypher Blade Dragon, Sunvine Shrine, got a Time Thief Retrograde trap card, and then Metalfoes Counter trap card. Okay. And so that was the first box. So here's the second box. Open this one up. So we got a Mask Change spell card. Then we got a Madolche Fresh Sistart. Kind of cool with the little desserts in there. Having a hard time focusing on it. Okay. So we got Gear Town. That's a cool one. Then Metalfoes Volflame. And Helshadal Hollow. That's a cool one. Looks like a knight on fire. That's a cool one. All right. And I've heard that with this set, apparently they weren't evenly distributed, is what I've heard. And so the Ghost Rares are supposed to be case hits, and some cases maybe have one, in some cases maybe have 5 or 6 or much more than one. So we can only hope to get one Ghost Rare. Multiples, of course, would be great, but see what we can get. So we got Heretic Seal of Supremacy. Why it's not focusing on that? Heretic Dragon of Tefnuit. Nuit. We got Heretic Sun Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis. Then we got a Sunvine Healer. And I think I saw some white. Let's see. Okay, let's see what we got. First edition, attack 26, defense 200. Dragon. Lavalval Salamander. It's a cool card. Okay, last pack. And I forget forget what his name was, but I remember him. Okay, let's see. I think I do anyway. It's been a long time since Yu-Gi-Oh! On Saturday mornings. Okay, last pack. Will I get a ghost rare? Let's see. So Time Thief Flyback. I think I already got that one. And then Hayo Zanryu. Oh, this is like the same print run as one of the other packs. Cosmojo. And then Sunseed Genius Lokai. And Heretic Seal of Heavenly Spheres. Okay, so that is the last card. It's kind of a cool card. Alright, well, no ghost rare. Take a quick look here. Hopefully I didn't pull like a crazy good card and I'm just mishandling it. But these are the ones that we got. 2 boxes, 3 packs. In each box, 5 cards per pack. So that's 15 cards per box. 2 boxes, 30 cards. And unfortunately, today we did not get any ghost rares. But that's okay. These are something that if you can get them retail, might be worth picking up a box or 2 just to hunt for those ghost rares. Like I said, if you're looking for resale purposes, they go for, I've seen them for around $300 or so on eBay. And again, depending on which one, some are more collectible than others. Or there'd be a nice addition to your collection if that's what you're looking to do. But this was this video today, just the 2 boxes. Like I said, short video, but I appreciate you stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I will be adding much more content in the days and weeks ahead. So we're just getting started out, so I appreciate all the love and appreciation that you can show. Like I said, like, subscribe, and comment. All right? And let me know down in the comments also if there's any particular item that you would like to see ripped. I know there's a lot of YouTubers ripping a lot of product, and I'm new, so I'm trying to get into it. I do rip everything from Pokemon to basketball, baseball, football, anything I can get my hands on really that's on the shelves. So definitely looking to be bringing much more content to you all, but still stay tuned, and thanks again.